YouTube, what's up? The Soldier Barber Life here. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review of the STYLECRAFT Pro Metal Edition Instinct Double Foil Shaver. Let's go. So STYLECRAFT just dropped the Metal Edition Instinct, which is their newest foil shaver. This is a double foil shaver with an all metal body housing, has the professional vector motor in it. So that is definitely something new that I'm looking forward to using. Some of the information on it has a 2.5 hour cordless runtime, high power vector motor. The metal body is said to absorb and dampen sound and vibration. This has 11,500 RPMs with a intuitive torque control. It has the premium gold titanium foils, heavy duty metal body, crunchy blade, guided cutting, and USB Type-C charging. And then just some of that information on the back of there. So let's go ahead and jump into opening this up and checking it out. Alright, so just looking at it from the outside, you know, STYLECRAFT, Gamma always do a great job when it comes to unboxing. Their packaging and all that, all their boxes and packages that you get are always good quality. And they have this little magnetic tab where you just open that up, and then you have the tools that are inside there. Inside you have the another picture just showing it, showing what the shaver has and what it looks like. So inside the box, we do have the shaver itself. So this is the metal housing. Does have a little bit of weight to it. Does remind me of the Babyliss Gold FX shaver, or any of those the FX shavers that Babyliss has. It isn't quite as heavy as those, but it does have a lot more weight to it than some of your other lightweight shavers. Cool part, you can see the same thing with like the Instinct clipper and trimmer. You have this little view window to where you can see inside, to where you can look at the motor. This does come out in two different colorways right now. It has this black and gold, and then it also has the pink version that comes out. I decided to go with the black and gold because that's pretty much the colorway that I have for all my tools. So it does have the cap that's on here, protective cap. Let's pop that off, and we see we have our titanium double foil gold shavers that are there. You press this button here on the side, and that's how you pop the top off. And then you have your cutters that are inside there. Pretty much your standard cutters. These are the crunchy ones, so they do have a different effect on them. Pop that back on there. The power button is on the side here, which is good. If you're using it, you won't accidentally tap it if it's maybe on the front. If you're using it, on the back here, just information on it: 5 volts, 1.5 amps. And then on the bottom you have your standard charging that is here, and it also has a USB Type-C charger. So let's go ahead and turn this on, do a sound check, and see what this thing does performance wise. So you can definitely feel the power in this. When it's in your hand, you can feel the power of that motor, and you can obviously hear how much power it does have, with it having those 11,500 RPMs on there. Definitely looking forward to using this. So let's set this aside and see what else we have that comes in the box. So we do have a charging stand. That is one big important feature for me there, because I think that's a huge bonus, especially for the price. The price of this is listed at $199 on the STYLECRAFT website, but you can go ahead and use my discount code SoldierBarber10, and that will go ahead and take a discount off of there for you. But having a charging stand does justify this price, because $199 for a foil shaver is probably one of the highest, most expensive shavers that may be on the market. So this is a must when it comes to that. You have the charger that goes in there, that goes into the shaver, and then back here is where you would plug up the cord. So it would sit in there like such, and that locks in there pretty well. So that thing is not going anywhere. Once you put that on your station, once that's sitting there, you don't have to worry about that tipping over. That's secured in there pretty tight, and it also slides in and out relatively easy, so you don't have to worry about the stand coming up with it as well when you are charging that. So what else we get in the kit with it? You have your standard power cable that goes to it, and underneath you also get a USB Type-C charger with the regular USB. Get a little cleaner brush, and then the instruction manuals that come with it. So I am definitely looking forward to using this. I am going to be using this right away on a couple of the haircuts that I have today, so stay tuned. We are going to see how this thing performs. Sounds like it performs well, but we're going to see how well it performs on hair.